Most of the world's electricity system was built over the last 40 to 60 years. The aging electricity infrastructure is inefficient and increasingly unreliable. While innovation and technology have dramatically transformed other industrial sectors, the electric system has continued to operate in the same way for decades. The electric system still relies heavily on fossil energy sources. During high demand periods, when capacity is tight, utilities companies rely on flexible gas and oil-fired power stations, which is expensive and polluting. The urgent need to move to a low-carbon economy, unpredictable fuel costs, an aging infrastructure and climate change are all converging to require a radical transformation of the electricity system and utilities industry. Recognizing these challenges, the energy community is starting to marry information and communications technology with the electricity infrastructure to create a smart grid. Cisco's vision in this area is for networking technology to enable an end-to-end, highly secure smart grid to help utilities manage the entire electricity system as an integrated framework. To actively sense and respond to changes in power demand, supply and costs. To improve the security and reliability of energy delivery. And optimize operational costs. A comprehensive view of grid status is becoming increasingly important, particularly with the need to incorporate a broader mix of renewable and low-carbon energy generation sources. The increasing complexity of managing the system efficiently requires an intelligent infrastructure to optimize grid management and significantly reduce outages. To do this, all elements, supply sources, the grid and customers must be able to interact with each other. Currently, there are over 360 proprietary communication protocols used in the electrical system, making it impossible for different systems to communicate with one another. To enable this communication, all of those elements must converge on an open platform in an Internet Protocol communications network. Better information will also enable customers to manage their energy use to meet their personal needs. It will reduce the amount of energy consumed by homes and significantly reduce peak period demand. How does that work? Customers adjust their equipment, the washing machine, the dishwasher, the boiler, a swimming pool pump, to only use low-cost electricity during off-peak periods. The consumer simply loads and starts the dishwasher as normal. The difference is the machine will provide the option to start when electricity costs are low. An average household can reduce its energy bill by up to 10 to 15%. The same is true for businesses, which can also achieve significant efficiencies by using new business energy management systems. Furthermore, smart grids pave the way to evolve the mass market for electric vehicles, and can also use electric vehicles to provide storage capacity and significantly contribute to the system's balance. Vehicle batteries can be used to store energy when it's inexpensive and capacity is available, and discharge energy back to the grid during times of tight capacity. Government and industry now have an opportunity to work together to create a smart, efficient and highly secure electrical infrastructure for the 21st century. Cisco believes that the communication network should serve as the infrastructure's central platform to ensure resiliency, scalability, adaptability, and security. With an intelligent network as the platform, a smart grid can reduce the amount of electricity consumed by homes and buildings and accelerate the adoption of distributed, renewable, and clean energy sources, while improving the reliability, security, and useful life of electrical infrastructure.